In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to witness on DocuSign step by step. If you need to add a witness to a document, set up a proper signing flow, or create a reusable template that includes a witness field, this tutorial will walk you through the entire process from start to finish. By the end of this video, you'll know how to upload your document, assign recipients, and add a witness field correctly inside DocuSign. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any future tutorials. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to DocuSign. You can go directly to apps.docusign.com and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your DocuSign home dashboard. From here, we're going to create a template that allows you to include a witness in your signing workflow. At the top of the screen, click on Templates. This section allows you to create reusable document setups so you don't have to start from scratch every time. Inside the Template section, click on Create Template. This will open a new template setup page. The first thing you need to do here is type a name for your template. Choose something clear and descriptive, like Contract with Witness or Agreement with Witness Signature, so you can easily find it later. After naming your template, the next step is to upload your document. Click on Upload, then choose the file you want to use. If your document is saved on your computer, click on Desktop and select the file from your local storage. Once uploaded, your document will appear inside the template editor. Now it's time to fill in the recipients. This is very important when setting up a witness. In the recipient section, add the main signer first by entering their name and email address. Then add another recipient who will act as the witness. Make sure you clearly define their role. You can label them as witness so it's easy to identify their signing responsibility. After adding the recipients, click on Add Message. Here you can include a subject line and a short message explaining that the recipient is being asked to sign or witness the document. This is helpful for clarity and ensures everyone understands their role in the signing process. Once you've added your message, click on Next, Add Fields. This will take you into the document editor where you can place the required fields onto the document. On the left-hand side, you'll see different field options such as signature, date signed, text, and more. To create a witness area, drag and drop a text field onto the part of the document where the witness information should appear. After placing the text field, click on it and rename it to Witness so it's clearly labeled. Make sure the field is assigned to the witness recipient and not the main signer. You can check this by selecting the correct recipient from the drop-down at the top of the page before placing the field. If the witness also needs to sign, drag and drop a signature field into the appropriate location and assign it to the witness as well. Double-check that each field is assigned to the correct person to avoid errors during signing. Once everything looks correct, review the document layout carefully. Ensure the signer fields are assigned to the signer and the witness fields are assigned to the witness. When you're satisfied, save the template. Now, whenever you use this template, DocuSign will automatically include both the signer and the witness in the workflow. And that's how you witness on DocuSign by creating a template and adding the appropriate witness fields. It's a simple process once you know where everything is, and using templates can save you a lot of time if you frequently require witness signatures. If this video helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow DocuSign tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.